You put Charlie 12 and Charlie 8 both back on work alone. 426 on shift.
Welcome to learning how to use the BC Transportation Ministries radio system. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a call from a telephone to a radio user in the field. Let's say you're located at headquarters in Victoria, and you need to contact a person who is working somewhere in the North Island, North Trunk area. It's important to note, you can call as many repeaters in the trunk as you want, as long as you're in a single trunk area. So if you're not sure exactly where the person is you're trying to get a hold of, you can cover the entire area at once. Each trunk area has its own telephone number. In the case of the North Island North Trunk, it's 250-897-0249. Dial that number, including the one for long distance. When the radio system answers, you'll hear a beep beep. If you hear a busy sound, that means the trunk is busy and you'll have to try your call again in a few minutes. Once you hear the, enter the 3-digit repeater site address on your phone's keypad for the area you want to call. That site address is the 3-digit number in brackets. In this example, we'll start with 674, the Sayward area. Once you enter the site code, you should hear a short tone indicating you're now linked with the 674 repeater. If you want to widen your calling area, you simply enter the repeater addresses for the other areas. Each time you dial a new address, you wait to hear the tone before entering the next number. Once you've connected to all the repeaters you want, have your conversation, and at the end of the call, be sure either you or the person you were talking with presses the pound button to disconnect the link with the repeaters. Remember, no conversation on the Ministry Radio Network is private, and in this case, everyone who is listening to any of the repeater stations you've dialed into will be able to hear your conversation. Keep this in mind when you're making your call. You've just completed a call from a telephone to the Ministry's radio system. Be sure to check out more videos on how to use the BC Transportation Ministries radio system.